My dear brothers and sisters, the gospel passage we heard today is about parable of the lost sheep. The next parable which speaks about the character or the nature of the shepherd, also the eternal shepherd, God himself. We find that, in the olden days, the Jews every day will take the sheep for pastures and evening get them home. And this shepherd realizes one of them is not there. And he leaves 99 under protection and goes in search of the one that is lost. And why does he do that? Is it because it is his favorite or the fatted? We don't know. It's because that sheep for him is very important, like all others which are not gone astray. We're not told that when he goes in search, he finds the sheep. We're not told about that. And he finds it. We're not told what the condition of the sheep is. It is an injured, tattered, or killed by animals. We're not told, but he goes in search. Such is the character of the man, because he loved every one of the sheep dearly. For him, all were in a way equal. This is our eternal shepherd's character, God himself. This parable tells about God's very nature, his own heart. Therefore, him, for God, all of us are important, are unique. And why do we go astray? Because God respects our freedom which he gave to us at birth. And we, at times, we misuse it and we go astray. But God doesn't lead us astray or leave us astray, but goes in search of each one of us because he cares and loves each one individually. And how does he do that? He sent his son looking for us. Son whose birthday we'll celebrate in a couple of days. Well, what's the message for us today? That we too are called to be shepherds. We live in our families, we have establishments, big and small. And at times we find out those working with us, even our families, some of them are lonely. Nobody cares for them because we may be in a big group or a small group and still we feel lonely. So these people we are called to be shepherds, to inquire about them, to help them in a way we can. When this is Advent, as I said in the introduction, this means to come towards. As God comes towards us, let's go towards others who are in need of our help.